Canoeist, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. I'm here with canoeist Chris Corey, who's just fixed his metal end of his setting pole.
So my tip broke off my setting pole earlier today, and I was able to recover the metal sleeve and the nail in the end. So it snapped off from here. I took this part and I put it in the fire, burnt out the wood, and then with a Leatherman I trimmed back what I needed to rehang, kind of like a hatchet, the steel pipe. And now I'm just cleaning it up so that it'll feel good in the hand when I'm using it tomorrow.
So Chris, how did you get the old wood out of the metal tip?
Well, I was fortunate. The tip, when it cracked, it did not break off completely, so it was kind of dangling on. So I removed this, put it in the fire, our campfire for the night, and it burned the wood out, but left all the metal pieces. So I was able to recover all the metal pieces, refit it, and slide it on.
Repairing gear in the field, Very Lewis and Clark. I'm Lisa DeHart.
I'm Chris Corey.
And you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.